welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a natural makeup tutorial. I'm actually doing this because my mom told me to. She was like, Charlotte, I really like how your makeup looks. You should do a tutorial on it. So here I am. This is Mr. Louie. Anyway, this is a really easy, theoretically quick, but it took me a long time to do it on camera, makeup look that is just like when you don't want to do a full face but you still want to look cute. So that's what this look is. So hope you guys enjoy, and we'll get right into it. Gosh, this is rough. This is what I look like when I wake up in the morning. That's so cute. Do you guys like my cat ears? Fun fact about me is I actually got cat scratch fever as a child, so I've always felt semi-feline because of that cat encounter. Yes, cat scratch fever is a real thing. No, it is not fun. I literally swelled up so much I didn't have a neck. Okay, this whole look is super basic. First, we're gonna go in with Glossier Futuredew. This is like a miracle product, but I don't know if it's for everyone, you know? I don't know if it's for everyone, but you can see it's an oil serum hybrid. Okay. So I put one pump all over the bottom half of my face, and then take a half pump and do my forehead, and then go over the high points. They say you should use 2 pumps all over your whole face. I'm not convinced. I think 1 is fine if you have a small face, and 1.5 is good if you just want to kind of go ham. But I think 2 pumps is definitely a lot. It wouldn't be my go-to solution. I am going to use powder, but only the tiniest bit. I'm taking some of my Fenty Lavender powder on a blendiful and just really lightly pressing that in under the eyes. That's the only place I'm gonna set because I want a dewy look. I just do this so that my mascara doesn't transfer when I put mascara on. Because if you have a really dewy face and then mascara, I tend to have the issue where my mascara, because I've got long lower lashes, will just rub into that dewiness. So okay, so the next step is brows. I feel like everyone has a very different brow routine, and I'm not going to try and enforce my brow routine on anyone. I have really tiny, skinny brows. I plucked them off in the 7th grade, and they have never quite returned to their once very thick ways. I'm going to go into my Anastasia Dipbrow on an angled eyebrow brush and just go to town. But yeah, whatever your preferred brow method is. So now when I have my brow color on, I go in with the brow gel. I didn't always used to do this, but it's kind of become my thing. Any brow gel will do. I don't usually buy a high-end brow gel because what's the point? Honestly, it's just locking your brows in place and making sure they don't move. I think Boy Brow would also be a really good product for this kind of look. I just struggle with Boy Brow because the ends of my brows are so thin that really any kind of product like that is difficult for me. I started doing this new thing with my eyes where when I'm doing a very, very, very simple makeup look like this, I just go in with a really, really light purple to the point where it's almost white, but it's not, because as we all know, lavender is so brightening. And I feel like it just makes your eyes look so big and awake and healthy, and I really like this. I'm going to use the Colourpop cream gel liner in Crybaby. I'm such a crybaby, so it makes sense. See? Just big eyes. I already have quite large eyeballs, and usually I don't want to draw attention to that, but I don't know, I've just been really digging this. To really finish off the eyes section, I want to go in with my Milk Makeup Kush mascara. I got this for Christmas, and it is still going strong, thankfully. I don't know if I would repurchase. I really like it. I just don't know if it's worth the price tag, but I really do like the look it gives. So if anyone knows any dupes. I love lashes, so I almost always want my lashes to look super long and obnoxious. Now it's time for one of my favorite steps, which is my Glossier Cloudpaint. You need literally the tiniest amount of this. I always feel like I waste product because you really need the smallest amount. I dot it on my cheeks with my finger so I can really get a good placement of where I want it. And then go in with a stippling brush and just shear that out with stippling motion. So pretty. Okay, a little bit more cloud paint. I like to keep cream products more up and back because I find that if I start in the middle towards the front, that they really just kind of get carried away and look more like clown makeup, and that is not, you know, the intention or the goal. I think a stippling brush is definitely the best way to do this. I've experimented with a lot of ways, and I think that a sponge is good, but it eats so much of the product. And I am not, so I got the Blendiful, I used it for under my eyes, and I honestly cannot get it to work for anything that's not powder. So, Tati, help? Ooh, I didn't mean for this to be such a Glossier heavy tutorial, but we're going in with another Glossier product. This is from their Glossier Play line, and this is Glossier Niteshine in the shade Pale Pearl. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't like the applicator. It's annoying. It's really annoying because it really doesn't give you that much product. Just in that halo around your orbital bone, and then kind of get my two middle fingers and really just use the pads of my fingers so I don't waste any product, but still I have the warmth of my fingers to melt everything in. And you just get that really pretty shine. And it's not just like dewy shine, it is like reflective shine. Oh, it's so good. I didn't put anything on the lid, but if you wanted to, I think it'd be really gorgeous to go in with the Super Shock shadow and just do one of those, you know, swipe all over the lid shades. But I wasn't really in the mood for that. What if I just left it like this with this little mustache? It's a cute moment, Charlotte. Blend. I like having a little metallic mustache. It's really fun. Louie wants to come on my lap so badly. 1 second, buddy. I feel like this whole look just screams like healthy, cutie. She's naturally gorgeous. She just woke up like this, even though I've been filming for 22 minutes, you know? You can really spend a lot of time trying to make it look like you didn't spend any time. Really, that's what I've learned. What I feel is like my secret component to this look is the Kylie, what the frick are these called? I knew. Lip blushes in Bikini Bod. These are really similar, I feel like, to the Luxe liquid lipsticks from Colourpop. They're so lightweight, but I feel like they're so like slippy on the lips. They're so comfortable, and they really fade throughout the day. So, oh my god, Louis just climbed on my lap himself. Congratulations. You're really that needy? Yeah? Okay. Yeah, they just fade throughout the day. They don't get any weird crusty lines. If you don't pack it with you, it's gonna be absolutely fine. You're gonna be fine. It's not gonna be a crisis. It's good. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm actually obsessed with this so much, and it's kind of become like a real favorite look to do, and I'm usually like the full coverage queen, don't go places without liquid foundation, but this honestly just, it's working for me. Do you guys like my haircut? I cut my hair a while ago, but I've just been really lazy, so. Also, you can't really tell because I am too far down, but I'm wearing a Reputation t-shirt because if you didn't watch Miss Americana, you really should. But I always loved Reputation, and now people are just now giving her, you know, the recognition she deserved. Okay guys, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and then please comment down below what you want to see next. Bye!